Hi, good morning. Asaf, Primal Bee. We are in the middle of November. We're in Shitzer apiary. It's a commercial apiary which contains something like 1,000 hives, 1,200 hives, something like that. We put Primal Bee hive like 4 weeks ago, 3.5 weeks ago. We switched them from the Langstrom, from the standard hive, into Primal Bee hive. We put inside 4 Primal Bee frames, which we're going to open now, and you're going to see the difference between the frames. And we are very exciting, and we have a very nice experience here in this apiary in this point, because they build all the beeswax from the bottom to the top, from the top to the bottom, and we have a very nice activity. We have honey collecting, we have a brood. We can see that the queen is running and feeling very happy, and one video is better than 1,000 words. So this frame is 3.5 weeks old. We put only the beeswax foundation. I'm going to show you one which they didn't build yet. So it's only like 3.5 weeks, and we see a very nice building. We see honey collection. We see the brood in the center, and it's not supposed to be the condition now. If we were in a standard hive, we wouldn't see a building like that and a brood like that in a hive.